Has your marriage or relationship broken down with no hope of repair? Are you worried about getting what is rightfully yours? There is no doubt the prospect of divorce or separation can be a confusing, frustrating, and emotional experience for everyone, especially when the separation is not amicable. When a marriage or relationship breaks down, it's essential that you receive proper support when it comes to the division of assets. We understand the importance of getting things right when it comes to finalizing divorce proceedings, because decisions that are made at the time of a divorce or breakup can often have an impact far into the future. Don't let divorce put your emotional and financial future at risk. Let us fight for what is yours. Contact us today.